substances in the surrounding and their state. In that next point is boiling. Water is continuously evaporating. We know that the water spilled on the floor dries up slowly on its own. Means all of you know, if water is sprayed in floor, that water slowly goes dry, and after some times there is no water. This evaporation occurs from the surface of the water. What happens when water boils? As the water gets heated, its temperature increases and it evaporates at a faster and faster rate. What happened? Slowly water is heated, and after some time that water is started boiling, and at the same time the vapors are coming out from that boiling water. When water kept on a stove attain a particular temperature or level of heat, then evaporation takes place in all parts of the body of water. Then we see water bubbles rising at faster and faster rate to the surface of the steam mixing in the air. This is called as boiling of water or ebullition. Boiling of water is have another word, ebullition. This is new word for you. You just keep in mind. At sea level, pure water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius is a water's boiling point. This is the boiling point of water. Now what is the boiling point of water? Answer is 100 degree Celsius. When water vapor cools, it is converted into water again. After heating the vapor, when that vapor cools, then that vapor again converted into water. This process is called as condensation. Means the process of converting water vapors into water. That process is called as a condensation. Condensation of steam also takes place at 100 degrees Celsius. See, boiling point is also 100 degrees Celsius, and condensation takes place at 100 degrees Celsius. It means that the boiling point and condensation point of water are one and the same time. At the same means boiling point also 100 degrees Celsius and condensation point is also 100 degrees Celsius. Means both are same, 100 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius. Now see image 5.5, boiling. This is burner and this is stand. In this stand, with the help of burner, we are getting heat for this water. In a beaker, they have taken some water, and after heating, you see small bubbles are there, and this is thermometer. Thermometer put on a beaker. See, at the when we start boiling water, see, this is blue color is a bubble. See, the size of bubble is very small at 20 degrees Celsius. After that, the temperature of water is 50 degrees Celsius. Now you can see the size of bubble is little bit increases. After some time, the temperature of water is 100 degrees Celsius, and you see the size of bubble is increases. Means temperature is increases, at the same time the size of bubbles is also increases. Means this water is started boiling. Now you just keep in mind boiling water is also called as ebullition, and boiling point and condensation point both are same. And what is the boiling point and condensation point of water? 100 degree Celsius.